This right here is the fastest Real Locking VND filter on the market. And we're ready to rock. It's not going anywhere. Let's get into the video. So this is Freewell's new lockable, real lockable VND filter. When I say lockable, it's got some pinchers on it. And just lock it on, it's magnetic, and then you can twist the VND, variable VND, 1 to 7 straight away. And this thing is not moving. It's not going to come off because it's got these ridges on it, which means that even if I pull it right now, it's not going anywhere. You just clasp it and pull it off. So this VND is part of a package, and Freewell were kind enough to send us 2 because we shoot with 2 cameras. So we couldn't have one for the other because the other camera would actually get jealous. It comes in another lovely case like this, like the previous version. If I open this up and show you what we've got, obviously we've got the VND filter. And what you also get is beautiful 32 VND. If you use variable VNDs, you know full well going up to 7 doesn't quite make it sometimes, and you end up having to change the settings on your camera. But this is a bit of genius work. Again, just how easy it is to actually put onto your camera. Let me demonstrate this. Put it on. This, wait for it, guys, just locks on too. Just there. And then you can still control the VND, which is absolutely fantastic. I don't need that 32 VND anymore. Guess what? Just take it off. It's simple as that. This is a stackable system because what they also supplied as well, you know, I like hiding things out of camera. Let me bring it in. They also sent us a nice mist filter, a quarter mist filter. So you can then stack it up. Let's put the mist filter on. Let's put on the 32 VND. You know I like my Blue Peter stuff. There's more stacked on here, and you can go even further. You can stack and stack and stack, but obviously be very aware of those flares, those lens flares coming in and any shadows and stuff. But this is great. Take that off, take that off. You are done. That aside, if you don't want to carry the 32 or the mist filter, it's really compact and it's very light. You get a beautiful case on the front of it, cap on the front of it, just clips off. You can see the pinchers there as I move it. Take that off. And then on the back of it, actually I'm going to stop there. Freewell have thought of everything on this. It even has a near field sensor on it. So if you can bring your phone close, watch a tutorial on how to use their filters, which is brilliant. Here on the other side, the other cap, I have to drop it down. Clever guys have given us a nice little card to white balance with as well. I know you can do it with the caps on the Sony cameras, but how convenient is that? And it's all together. So, guys, the first version was quite a bit different. Let's take the ring off. The first version they sent, if we just look again, this is heavier, this is thicker as well. On the back of this, it was a magnetic. I thought it was stuck to start off with. It was, you can tell, just a heavyweight magnetic. And then the same with the front, had a pull ring on it to pull that off, which became problematic. But the biggest issue from this version compared to this version is in order to put actually on your camera, you've got these little tightening rings. It's magnetic, you put it on, but you then had these little screws. And you can unscrew these, but all the way off. So I was always worried about losing these, but they have solved that problem with this. It's like, it's just brilliant. And I'm chuffed to bits they've come out of this product because I've been waiting for something for such a long time. So they do provide a lovely case, which is really cool. They did this on the last ones as well. You've got a nice D-ring on the back of it so you can hook it onto your backpack. Then you've got some nice slots inside to put everything away, which is really cool and easy. So you can put your 32 VND away and you can put your mist filter away. Personally, it's a bit big to carry around with you every day for your shoots as a photographer or videographer. I'll try and get something a bit thinner. But what I found in my experience that when I'm going out on a shoot, if I'm doing a solo shoot, I'm just taking this one with the 32 in a separate case. So, but it's a nice added bonus. They've really thought of everything. So this variable VND is very durable. The glass is like next level quality. It is really, really good glass. The whole structure of it is made out of plastic and metal. And you can feel the quality in your hands. And when you're spending £2,500 on your lens alone, you don't want to let it down by buying something cheap and plastic, which will let you down on a shoot. And that's why I trust Freewell. I know they send it to us for free for review, but I would buy this. I've always said this on this channel. If I'm not willing to buy it, I'm not willing to do a review on it. And this is definitely good quality material, probably CNC metal made. I'm not an engineer. So yeah, it's great. And the ease of use to turn in that ND from 1 to 7 is ultra smooth. You can hear it. There's no friction, no nothing there. So when it's on your lens and you're holding your camera like this, you can just twist there and twist back, knowing that it's locked in place. I've said it before on this channel, step-up rings are your best friend. If you're gonna buy an ND filter, go for the maximum size you possibly get for your lens. In this case, these are 82mm. Get step-up rings if you've got smaller millimeters. You don't want to be buying loads of these because it'll get very expensive. So guys, the cost. It's not cheap, it's not expensive. I personally feel if I had to buy this, I wouldn't hesitate. For the whole kit, ND 1 to 7 variable, plus the ND32 and the quarter mist comes in at $300. But don't worry, there's a 10% off code for you in my description below. Lasts for a month from the 3rd of September 2025. But before you go, don't go anywhere, don't switch off. I just want to thank everybody for their support. It's great to be back on the channel. We've had a 3-month break, but you're going to see more videos coming out very soon on all your favorite stuff. Just want to thank you so much for sticking around. If you've liked this video, I'm pretty sure you're going to like the video for this filter coming up next. Take care.